Hello, everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the Discord something went wrong error. Many users encounter this issue when opening Discord, logging in, or performing actions, and it can be frustrating. First, check your internet connection. Discord needs a stable connection. Slow or intermittent internet can trigger this error. Step 1, restart Discord. Close the app completely and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart clears temporary glitches. Step 2, clear cache and temporary files. Corrupted cache can cause errors. For PC, delete Discord cache from app data greater than Discord and restart the app. Step 3, try a different browser or the desktop app. Web browsers may have extensions or cookies interfering. Using the official desktop app is often more reliable. Step 4, disable VPNs or proxies. Discord may block some connections through VPN or proxy. Turn them off temporarily and check if it works. Step 5, check Discord server status. Server outages or maintenance can cause errors. Visit status.discord.com to confirm. Step 6, update Discord. Outdated versions may contain bugs. Download the latest version from the official site. Finally, contact Discord support if the error persists. Provide details of your PC, app version, and steps tried. Support can guide you to a fix. So yeah, fixing something went wrong on Discord is about internet check, restarting, clearing cache, testing browsers, disabling VPNs, checking server status, updating app, and contacting support. Follow these steps and Discord should work smoothly. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped.